Welcome to Toufee. Before we start creating our first Flash movie, let me quickly introduce you to the interface. This left panel here contains the items like photos, videos, text, and audio which you need to create your Flash movie. You can upload new photos by clicking this Browse button here. You can also search for stock images by search keywords using these tabs here. Click the OK button after you're done choosing. Similarly to add videos, just select the video tab here and then click the Browse button. Now, depending on the location of your video file, you can either upload a video from your hard disk or import an existing video from youtube.com by entering its URL here. These tabs here contain other items like audio, text, buttons, etc., which we will go into more detail in our next tutorial. On the right-hand side here, we have the movie stage. To create your Flash movie, simply drag these items to the stage like this. Once an item is dropped, you can now resize and move it around with your mouse like this. Let's add one or two more items before continuing. The panel at the bottom here represents the movie timeline to show you the timing of items.
Since all Flash movies are basically short animations, every item you add to your movie must have a start time, i.e., the time when the item starts showing, and an end time, i.e., the time after which the item disappears.
Let me give you an example to help you understand this concept a little better. Since the image was the first item we added, by default, it is set to appear at 0 seconds, i.e. as soon as the movie starts playing, and then disappears when the movie has played for exactly 10 seconds. This text item, which was the second thing we added to our movie after the image, on the other hand is currently set to show at 10 seconds and then remain there until the movie has played for 20 seconds. So what this basically means to you is that when you play your movie, for the first 10 seconds you will see this image, and for the next 10 seconds you will see this text, just like items of a slideshow. This is how the items are arranged by default, but you can change the start time, end time, and duration of each item using to create much more impressive Flash movies and not just simple slideshows. For more details on timing, please see the next tutorial that covers item timing in more detail. Next is customizing the items of your movie. To change an item, simply click on it in the stage or timeline. Once selected, it will open up a Properties panel on the left side here, where you change the item's properties. For example, let's say you want to change this text item. Simply click the text item to bring the Properties panel, and here you can edit the text, set the text background, add text shadows, etc. as shown. The Properties panel also helps you choose the in-effect and out-effect transitions for your items. By default, Toufee assigns simple fade-in and fade-out effects to all newly created items. But bundled with Toufee are hundreds of gorgeous effects and transitions that you can also apply to your items to make amazing Flash movies. You can customize each item with a different in-effect and out-effect using these drop-down menus here. Here's a quick demo of some of the effects you can use. Finally, after you're done making your Flash movie, it's time to publish it on the internet. To do that, click this Publish Movie button here. Toufee gives you a lot of different publishing options depending on the type of market you want to target. Currently, you can publish your Flash movie online on your website or host it on toufee.com itself. You can also turn your Flash movie into an AVI video and upload it on youtube.com if you want. Plus, you can target social media sites like Twitter and Facebook using these buttons here. Lastly, you can publish it on your blog using this button here. And you can also download your movie as a conventional SWIFT file if you want to host it on your own servers. Oh, and one last thing before I finish this tutorial. As you can see, currently there is no movie background to your movie, which is why when we published the movie, it was transparent and you could see the web page underneath. This is why you always want to use a background image for your movie so that it covers up any blank area in your movie. To set the background, just drag any item to the timeline at the bottom of your screen instead of the stage. Similarly, to add background music to your movie, simply drag an audio file to the timeline like this. Let's publish it again to see how it looks this time. So, this covers the Getting Started guide of toufee, and you should now have enough information to create your first Flash movie and play around with this Flash editor. In the next tutorial, we will cover some advanced topics such as adding buttons to your Flash movie, changing item timing, video editing, etc. Thanks for watching.